Today I'll show how to replace the thermal paste in a 2024 Mac Mini. Power down, unplug, and ground yourself. Opening the Mac Mini may void your warranty. Prepare a T5 screwdriver, spudger, thermal paste, and isopropyl alcohol. I'll label screws as removed. Remove the bottom cover with gentle prying, exposing the internals. Carefully unplug the fan and antenna cables using a spudger and steady fingers. Unscrew the heatsink, lift it straight up, and set it aside on a clean mat. Clean the CPU and heatsink with isopropyl and lint-free cloth until residue is gone. Apply a pea-sized dot of thermal paste to the center of the CPU. Reinstall the heatsink and tighten screws in a cross pattern evenly and gently. Reconnect the fan and antenna cables, then replace the bottom cover securely. Boot the Mac Mini, run a short stress test, and compare before and after temperature readings. Checklist: power off, ESD protection, correct tools, clean surfaces, pea-sized paste, secure reassembly.